In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitrix24 for project management. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a task, organize it within a project, attach the right files, track progress, and close it out confidently. First, open Bitrix24 in your browser. If you already have an account, log in. If not, you can sign up for free and follow along. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and click on Tasks and Projects. This is your project hub where you'll plan work, follow updates, and keep everything organized. Next, click Create to start a new task. Give your task a clear, action-oriented title so your team immediately understands the goal. You'll see options to enrich the task with supporting details. Keep moving and we'll add what you need to make it actionable. Attach any relevant files right here. This could be a brief, a mock-up, or a spreadsheet. Centralizing documents with the task prevents version confusion later. A quick tip, use consistent file names so updates are easy to spot. Add a checklist to break the task into bite-sized steps. Checklists make expectations visible and help you and your team focus on what must happen next. You can prioritize the order and update items as you go, which keeps momentum steady. Now, add a project. Either select an existing project or create a new one to house this task. Projects act like folders that group related tasks, files, and discussions, making reporting and oversight much easier. Click Create to confirm your choices. Depending on your setup, you might see more than one Create button, one to finalize the project container and another to create the task itself. Click through to save both so everything is properly linked. From here, choose Project Management to view your work in a dedicated space. This gives you a focused lens on active tasks, priorities, and progress across your initiative. Open your task and add a thorough description. Explain the context, scope, and any constraints so no one has to guess. If there are success criteria or reference links, place them here for quick access. Add task status summaries to reflect where things stand. These short updates help stakeholders see progress at a glance and reduce back and forth messages. As work continues, add more files or updated versions directly to the task so your documentation stays current. When you're ready to begin, click Start. This signals the kickoff, and if you're collaborating, lets teammates know work is underway. Finally, when everything is done, click Complete. This closes the loop, preserves a record of what happened, and makes it easy to report on outcomes. That's it, your workflow in Bitrix24 from creation to completion made clear and repeatable.